This video is a tutorial on how to draw a panda bear. Let's have fun. We're going to start off with a circle for the head. Now we're going to do a circle for where the nose is going to be and the mouth. Now we're going to do an oval for the eyes. Do both sides. And we're going to do a little tiny circle for his eyeballs. Another circle for those eyeballs. Now we're going to draw his nose and a little slit for the mouth. Now we're going to draw the ears, half moon-shaped ears for both sides. You're doing a good job, believe me, you're doing a good job. Now we're going to draw the legs. Do exactly what you see me doing. Now we're going to do the other leg. And his foot, just have fun. There's no such thing as not perfect art. It's perfect, believe me. Let's do the back leg. We just drew the back leg. Now we're going to draw his other leg. Now just color. That's all you have to do. I forgot to tell you, the only thing you need is a black coloring pencil or a black crayon. There is just color. You can go out of the line. You can stay in the lines. It doesn't matter. Just enjoy yourself. Just color. Do exactly what you see me doing. As long as this panda is black and white, just have fun and just color. There we go. It looks nice, believe me. If it came from you, it was from your heart, trust me, it looks good. Okay, we're coloring his eyes, around his eyes, and the eyeball. We're going to do the other side. Just have fun. You see how I'm not staying in the lines? That's a panda bear. Just color. Okay, we're going to color the ears now. And we're going to color the other ear. Beautiful. You're doing a good job. Now we're going to put some lines on the ground so that way he don't look like he's floating out in the air. Just squiggly lines. It can be straight, it can be squiggly, it can be circles. It doesn't matter. Just enjoy yourself. Put some lines under his feet so it looks as if he's standing on something, on the ground at least. There you go. If you like this video, follow me on YouTube at Angel's Cole's Art Studio.